Hi, I'm Michael from the onboarding team here at Moz. Today I'm going to show you how to filter keyword suggestions in Keyword Explorer. Filtering keyword suggestions is a really good way of finding keywords that will be appropriate for your task at hand. For example, if you're creating new blog content or maybe some FAQs for your customers, you can select keyword suggestions that are questions. So first of all, we go to Keyword Suggestions in the Keyword Research section of Moz Pro. Then we enter the keyword that we want to see suggestions for. I'm going to go with chia seeds. We click Analyze. This will show us a list of keyword suggestions for chia seeds. But if we want to filter that list, we go to this drop down here. And if we select display keyword suggestions that are questions, we'll get a list of questions for chia seeds. If you want to sort these by relevancy, you can do, or you can also choose to sort by monthly volume. If you want to change the filter to something else, you can go back to the drop down, and maybe if you want to select based on closely related topics, you can see some other terms that are also used on pages that you'll find chia seeds on. So if you find any keywords that you like here, don't forget to add them to a keyword list. So that's how you filter keyword suggestions in Keyword Explorer. Hope this helps.